What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's episode, we're going to be comparing the LG K20 and the new LG K30 that just came out from Metro PCS. Boost Mobile also has a similar kind. This is going to be a review of the LG K30, but I was like, you know what? Why not also compare it to the LG K20 Plus and see if it's actually worth the upgrade? The price for the LG K30 is going to be $129, and it's going to be coming out November 12th. So in a couple days, this phone should be released at Metro. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. Let's go ahead and start by comparing or doing a test on which one will come on first. So I'm going to go ahead and at the same time press the back buttons. 1, 2, 3. And there it is coming on. This one didn't come on, so maybe this you have to press a little bit longer than the LG K20. It's good to know. So let me go ahead and turn this off and then do it again. I'm gonna go ahead and press on both of them. I'm not gonna let go until I hear that vibration. That means they turned on. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Press them both at the same time, but I did feel the vibration start on the LG K20 before it did on the LG K30. But let's see which one will come on first. So put these down, let it do its thing. Okay, you have the LG K20 that actually came on before the LG K30. Images of the icons still weren't even on yet. That's interesting. The LG K30 is rocking a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, while the LG K20 Plus is rocking a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor. This is a quad-core processor. That means it's 4 processors, while the octa-core means it has 8 processors. Yet, for some reason, the LG K20 turned on before the K30. But now, let's give it a benefit of the doubt. Let's keep on going. By the way, these are both new phones that I just got out of the boxes. They both have no line. As you can see right now, it's telling me to activate the device. So these are brand new phones. And I'm going to mention, did you guys see that where it said that notification that just came up? It says phone safety, do not remove the battery. The reason for that is because if you look at the LG K20, you can actually remove the battery, right? And I love this feature. I honestly love that you're able to remove the battery. Unfortunately, on the LG K30, you cannot do that. So let's go ahead and look at the back. You don't have any place to remove the battery. So make sure, for all those that are not used to this and they're coming from the LG K20, you cannot remove it on the LG K30. This is 3000 milliamps compared to 2700 milliamp battery that was on the LG K20. Okay, so you do have a better battery on the K30. It should last you much longer than the previous phone. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the design of the phone itself and compare it to the previous model. So looking at the speakers, they're both at the bottom, as you can see here for the LG K30, same as the LG K20. So same features, but I honestly would prefer the LG K20 because it has this grip on top of it that, you know, it has this texture, and I wish they did it here. But what is good about the LG K30 that it seems like it's very durable and strong metal. So if you drop this, it has a little bit more strength to it. So it's going to withstand any drops more than the LG K20 would have. I had a lot of people that actually bought the LG K20, and as soon as they walked out, they dropped the phone, they came back, there was already cracks on the screens. Okay, why is the camera on? So there was already cracks from the sides of the screen. So the quality in the build of the LG K20, terrible compared to the LG K30. So I do give them props to the LG K30. It is much durable design to it. Looking at the back, you have a 13 megapixel rear camera. So that's the same also on the LG K20. The fingerprint sensor is also on the back and the flash. On the right hand side of the phone, you have the SIM card slot on the LG K30, but you actually don't have anything on the K20, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and look at the left side. You have the volume rocker buttons on the LG K30, and then you have the volume rocker buttons also on the K20. The width of the K30 is a little bit bigger than the K20 as well, so I feel it more heavier, and that's I think also because of the build. So let's go ahead now and look at the bottom of the phone. You do have a micro USB. It is not USB-C. You do have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack also on the bottom. Last but not least, looking at the top, noise cancellation mic. Now let's go ahead and compare the displays. You have a 5.3 high definition in-cell display, and you also have a 5.3 IPS display. So they're actually similar in displays and in size. You have 5 megapixel front facing camera on the K30, as well as a 5 megapixel front facing camera on the K20. So far, the only difference we've seen so far is this is not a removable battery on the K30. It's 3000 milliamps. This was 2700 milliamps. And also, not to mention, the build quality was much better on the K30. Now, jump into the fun parts and do some tests on both phones. I'm going to go ahead and do a test and see which app will turn on first. So let's go ahead and go to the dialer. First of all, let's show you that there is nothing open. Actually, yeah, let me clear all the apps first. Make sure that both of them have nothing open. Now, let's go ahead and press the dialer. 1, 2, 3. All right, you have the K20, much faster. Interesting. Let's go ahead now and try messaging. 1, 2, 3. Again, the K20 is winning. Interesting. This is very interesting. I'm surprised. Let's go ahead and turn on camera. Okay, actually, let me flip the camera so we can see which one came on first. All right. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. The K20 again. Interesting. Okay. Let's open the browser. 1, 2, 3. K20 wins again. Very interesting. Let's see which one will open PUBG. 1, 2, 3. I'm actually very surprised that this is actually happening right now. Again, this is the K30 has 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, while this has a 1.4 quad-core processor. So I was honestly thinking that the K30 was going to beat the K20 hands down, but I feel like I'm mistaken here. That's very surprising. They both have 32 gigs of internal memory, and they both have 2 gigabytes of RAM. It seems like the K20 is winning. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly from the glare, but so far it seems like there's an update on both the phones, and the K20 is already turned on. Just to make it fair, once this finishes, I will press it again and see which one will come on. And let's do that test one more time. 1, 2, 3. Same thing that happened last time. The LG K20 for some reason is reacting faster than the LG K30 in whatever we do. Any app that we open, even from turning on the phone, as you guys seen, the LG K20 reacted faster when it started the vibration. Again, the K20 wins over the K30. This is very, very disappointing. It hasn't even started yet. That's crazy. Now it started. Honestly, I want to stop the review right now. This is not what I was expecting. Let's keep on going. I'm going to be doing a full gaming review, by the way. I'm going to link that down below if you guys want to see the full gameplay. I'm going to take a picture and see how clear the quality is on it. All right, first of all, let's take a selfie. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go ahead and take a selfie on the K30. It's much better on the K30. At least they have something going for the K30 now. Let's go ahead and open both of them up. Big difference. I mean, you guys can see hands down the K30's camera was much, much better. Let's go ahead now and try the rear camera. Let's put it right there. That's the K30. Let's go ahead now and try the K20. And I can already tell you guys the winner is the K30. Although they both have this 13 megapixel and the 5 megapixel, you can really tell the quality of the lens on the K30 is much more clear. There's just more vibrant colors compared to the LG K20. All right, now let's go ahead and actually go into the YouTube. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go ahead now and test both the speakers on the phones. Let's start with the K30. As you guys can see, the speaker on the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and test this one now. Let's pause this. So I think the speakers are much better and more clear on the K30. The K30 was really letting me down, but now I actually have a little bit more hope. Last but not least, check out the display on it. So let's try an HD video. The top one is the K30, by the way. The display is much, much more clear. and the colors are much vibrant on the K30. Check the settings. So the quality, the max it can go to is 720p. This one is also at 720p. Okay, this is the K20 and then the K30. All right, so far in conclusion, what we've seen from the test, the LG K30 is a better camera, a better build, has better design to it, a better processor. The speakers are much better, the display is much better, the build quality of the phone is much better. So is it worth an upgrade? I honestly would prefer that you guys go get the LG Stylo 4 that's going for $149 right now over the LG K30 because it's not much of a big difference. That's just my recommendation. If you guys haven't seen the review for the LG Stylo 4, I'll have that link down below. And not to mention, they also have Galaxy A6 that just came out to Metro PCS. It is a little bit more expensive, around $299, but it's still, if you want a little bit better phone, I would say definitely get those over the LG K20 or the K30. I'll also have a comparison for those phones down below. Really appreciate you guys for watching. I actually made a Discord where you guys can join me and you guys can be the first to be updated on all the new info, the updates, and the devices. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Who's the winner? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.